नमस्कार, मैं हूं दिबांजलि मोइत्रा। काला हिरण शिकार मामले में एक बार फिर सैफ अली खान, तब्बू, सोनाली बेंद्रे और दुष्यंत सिंह की मुश्किल बढ़ गई है। दरअसल जोधपुर हाईकोर्ट ने इन सभी को नोटिस जारी किया है। बता दें कि लोअर कोर्ट ने इन सभी को बरी कर दिया था, जिसके बाद राज्य सरकार ने लोअर कोर्ट के फैसले को हाईकोर्ट में चुनौती दी थी। ये तो आप जानते ही हैं कि पिछले साल अप्रैल में जोधपुर की एक अदालत ने बॉलीवुड एक्टर सलमान खान को साल 1998 के काला हिरण शिकार मामले में दोषी करार दिया था, जबकि अन्य 4 आरोपी बॉलीवुड स्टार्स सैफ अली खान, तब्बू, सोनाली बेंद्रे और नीलम को बरी कर दिया था। आरोप है कि जोधपुर में 1998 में सूरज बड़जात्या की फिल्म हम साथ साथ हैं की शूटिंग के दौरान सलमान और फिल्म में उनके साथी कलाकार तब्बू, सैफ अली खान, नीलम और सोनाली बेंद्रे बाहर घूमने गए थे। सरकारी वकील के मुताबिक उस रात सारे कलाकार जिप्सी में सवार थे, जिसे सलमान खान चला रहे थे। हिरणों का झुंड देखने पर उन्होंने गोली चलाई और उनमें से 2 हिरण मार गिराए थे। उन्होंने कहा कि जब लोगों ने उन्हें देखा और उनका पीछा किया तो ये कलाकार मरे हिरणों को मौके पर छोड़कर भाग खड़े हुए थे। खैर, देखने वाली बात तो अब ये होगी कि इस मामले को लेकर अब क्या होता है। वैसे आपको हमारी ये स्टोरी कैसी लगी, हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं और बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी खबरों को जानने के लिए बने रहें हमारे साथ।
Hello, thank you. Yes. Well, no, I mean, it's a beautiful brand. I'm happy to be here. Looks like a very nice evening. I met the Chopard family, especially Caroline Chopard, in Gstaad, where we go for New Year's every year. And they're lovely people, so I'm very happy to be here.
Are you like an accessory person? How often do you like to wear watches?
I love watches. I love watches. I have a few, and yes, yeah, it's a beautiful accessory. Men can't have too many accessories. I think dark glasses and watches is something I'm fond of.
Okay, sir. This year belongs to new. Many people have done a debut. Their movie, one more. The Alia Panchal is going to debut with you. So, what would you like to say about the Pooja Bedi daughter is doing debut with you?
It's a little early to talk about that. We'll talk about our movies some other time. Thank you, but I'm excited, of course. You know.
Okay, so anything would you like to update about the Sacred Game too? Because many people wanted to.
Again, I mean, do we need to talk about Sacred Games? I think this is not the place to talk about films and all these things. We stick with the brand or something. Yeah, is that okay? You know, we'll do press conferences on films later. Today.
Anything like any particular type of watches do you like? And
Well, I like all kinds of watches. I like sporty watches. I like, you know, beautiful watches, dress watches, leather straps, you know, tough watches. I think Chopard's an amazing brand because, you know, it's across. Sometimes it's got a vibe of jewelry to it, but also it's got a strong racing kind of influence, you know, for the guys. So if you have a strap made of rubber like a tire, and the Milli Milia race is an association of theirs also. So it's a very cool brand.
sir, when it comes to fashion, you know, you have your own unique style. You get a lot of mentions from celebs also that they like your style, and you have your own unique style which you have been maintaining for so long. Do you take any conscious effort, you know, to style yourself, or it's just that you know, it's like it comes naturally to you?
I don't know. I think it's a mixture of various things. I think over time, watching some other people, you know, traveling, being exposed to the world, different things, you know. You pick up things from all kinds of places and people. You know. But thank you for saying I have a nice style. Thank you.
tell us a little bit about being back here, walking for Gaurav, when he first asked you to walk for him, everything about the journey?
It was just a few days back, and I immediately said yes because I know his style resonates with who I am. His clothes complement my body, his sensibilities complement me, and I've never met him before this. Today is the first time I've met him, and it's turned out to be really like a union that was waiting to happen, or that we've known each other for so long. And I tried on this outfit yesterday, and the first time I got into it, it fit me like it was made on my body, and we did not need to try another garment. That says a lot about him and his craft and his skill and his understanding of the body and the person that he's dressing. And it's been really exciting and wonderful to walk, especially in this, like Gaurav said, magical space. It will be something that I'll remember for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Well, actually, Sonali's book club is presenting the movie, which is called Book Club, and it's such an apt title for friends who form a book club and how their life changes and what are the things that happen in their lives. So it's a really sweet movie, very, very fresh, and I thought it was really apt to do a tie-up like this with my book club because I think my book club members deserve something special. Yes, absolutely, and they've been so wonderful and they've been so enthusiastic that if I can, in an organic way, get them something extra, I'm always going to try and do that. So this I thought was a great thing to get for the members. Unfortunately, we have members only from Mumbai over here. Maybe one day we will get there where we'll have, yes, we will, but it's a book club and it's we don't have that kind of monies, but we have a huge heart and lots of love for all our members. I have some of my really dear friends because this movie is more about girlfriends getting together, so I have a couple of my girlfriends also coming in, really just some close friends with my book club members to watch the preview of the movie. So like we said, before the audience sees it, we get to see it.
So Sonali, talking about book and love towards book, which are the books that when you have read and you thought that it was like it changes your thought or it changes your life?
Honestly, every book changes you in some way because something you are gaining from it, and they always give you something. So, but I think when you're younger, the life-changing sort of changes happen. Now there are little things, and there's always something that you take away from every book. When I was younger, there were a couple of authors that really influenced me, and I think now in the recent times, it's Elif Shafak's 40 Rules of Love, which have left a huge impact on me because I think I'm in a relationship, in a marriage, in love, and what does a mature relationship mean? So I'm at that age where I kind of appreciate it and understand it, so that book really means a lot to me. But otherwise, Isabel Allende, Toni Morrison, they've been authors who have really changed my life. It has helped me look, they were strong women writers, wrote about women, and that kind of subconsciously made me the woman I am. Oh my God, I can't name one, but I do love science fiction, and I think what was really life-altering in that sense for me was Isaac Asimov. And the fact is that I keep feeling nowadays that we are living in Asimov's world already. I mean, he wrote those books in 70s, and what all he wrote about, a lot of those things are already happening. So somewhere for me, I'm living that fantasy world already.
So, talking about horror novels, were you a fan of Stephen
No,
King?
I'm not. I'm so scared that I can't read horror novels. If you've noticed on my book club, I don't have a horror novel as yet. I'm petrified of them. I can't read them.
Okay.
Maybe I should try it. It's a genre I haven't tried.
Okay, so in future, if you want to write an autobiography on yourself, what should
I'll
be the
never
title?
write my autobiography.
You'll never write,
No.
but still a title to justify your.
No, I already wrote the book I wanted to write. I'll write something else. I'll write stories maybe, but not my autobiography.
So are you planning to write something?
I'm always writing something.
Recently, the trailer has not just able to see the trailer.
I will talk only about book club today. Please, come on. You know, that film has enough stars to talk about them. We'll talk about our little film. Okay? Thank you.